Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart to start the week, giving back some monthly gains as investors grew risk-averse ahead of US trade tariffs expected to be unveiled this week. Goldman Sachs raised the probability of a US recession to 35% from 20% and said it expects more rate cuts by the Fed as Trump's tariffs roil the global economy and upend financial markets. The brokerage also lowered the world's largest economy's GDP growth forecast for 2025 to 1.5% from 2%. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq declined, with technology stocks among the largest fallers, as investors took a cautious approach to US equity markets ahead of the Trump administration's upcoming tariff plans being announced.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.